Ew, stop. You don't gotta do this. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Today's video is probably going to be a short little video because I was going to do my Ipsy, the big ones. What are these called? Pluses, Ipsy, I don't know. What is this? Because I'm fairly certain I get at least 2 of these things. Like at least 2. Sometimes I feel like I get 3. I can't keep track of stuff. But this month I only got 1 and I don't know why. I'm suspicious. I don't know. I do not know what happened to the other one. It's nearly the end of the month. It's May 28th. So I doubt it's gonna come. But I figured I would just go ahead and film another little video for you guys since I was sitting here in front of my setup and stuff. Plus I'm still wearing this absolutely just gorgeous shirt. So, you know, I want to make sure people can see this beauty. So anyway, let's go ahead and get on to this. I'm fairly certain this is the Ipsy Plus. It used to come in like a box, but now it comes in this type of bag. How much is this bag? That's a very good question. That is a good question. I'll look that up and I'll put it somewhere on the screen. I have the access to the internet right here in front of me. What am I doing? Okay. Yes, this is $25. You used to get 5 full-size products in here, plus it comes with like a drawstringy type bag. I've already done the Ipsy Showdown for the month, so I've seen like the regular base Ipsy bags, which I think are like 12 bucks. Did they go in price again? I hope not. I think those are still like 12 bucks, but they do have the same printing on the outside. So this has like a nice pretty pastel-y pink floral print to it. I think that's very cute. This looks like a lot of skincare. Like way too much skincare. Is this a full size? Oh my gosh. That just looks like somebody just typed the alphabet onto this label. That doesn't even look like words or a sentence. Anywho, the first thing we have in here is from Avant. This is a Pro Collagen Isodoincane Trilomine Prophytyl Capriflorate Sterilization 21.
21? You stupid.
It's supposed to be age restoring. This is a Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer. Oh, it's a primer. Okay. It is 1 fluid ounce, so I'm guessing since it is a primer that this is a full size, but unfortunately I never use primers. However, if it's supposed to make you look 21 or whatever, I might be able to go for that because I am turning 29 in like 2 days, which is very close to 30. And I honestly thought like, oh, it doesn't bother me at all. I'm just getting older. It's fine. I'm still young at heart. But as I'm sitting there thinking about it, I'm like, 30. It's getting just a little bit more like scary. Alright, so there is our first item in the bag. The next thing I'm seeing in here is from Girl. I'm sure all of you already know. In one of my last videos, it could have been another Ipsy video, like I pulled out something and then I read it and like instantly like my nose like snarled, which I can't help it. It automatically happens, but you guys already know it. This is a Girlactic Rose Oil Petal Gloss. Stop putting rose in everything. You don't have to do it. I don't know if anybody ever told you this, beauty industry, but roses don't have to go in everything. I know it sounds fancy. I know it sounds pretty. It's giving like the appearance of elegance. But no, it smells gross. Ew. They put potpourri in there. There's actual like rose petals in it. And I guess, you know, you could say, oh, it looks cute, whatever. But it's just, stop. You don't gotta do this. I mean, like as you move your wand in and out, like it's gonna start breaking up those rose petals. And then you're just gonna have hunks of wilted rose on your mouth. Why would you want that? It's not like a heinous amount of rose scent, but there definitely is rose scent to it. I'm sure it would look like a nice, just kind of clear-ish gloss since it is a very pale pink and it's very translucent. I'm sure it wouldn't give too much color to the lips, but I just can't abide by all this rose and stuff. Like, look, it's already breaking up just from me like pulling the wand out a couple times. All right, the next thing we have in here, it has cute little packaging to it. This is from Ona, New York. It is a firming serum, which I feel like at this point they're like, they got my number, they know. When I set up like my Ipsy profile and stuff, I like typed in my birthday all innocently, and now they know that I'm turning nearly 30 and they're like, oh, we know what to send you. Firm up that face. This is supposed to have 5 potent ingredients in them and it's supposed to firm up your face. You're supposed to use it AM and PM. Oh, it's a cute little bottle. I do love bottles and packaging and that kind of stuff. This looks like sea glass. Ooh, sea glass is super pretty. So yeah, just a nice like pale blue little glass bottle there. It's kind of like frosty. A very clean scent. I actually really like how it smells. There's been something tickling my nose this entire time and it's driving me bananas and I cannot find it. It feels like a little fuzz. I'm gonna go nuts. Okay, MC, I get it. I get the point. I'm old. You don't have to rub it in. The next item we have in here is from Logically Skin. This is a wrinkle target eye cream. I swear it's like, oh, she's in her late 20s. Her face must be deteriorating. Quick, throw in all of the lifting, wrinkle, blocking, everything you can into this bag and send it to her before her face just falls off. However, I will definitely try this and use this. Like I've said 1,000 times, I like eye creams, so I will definitely give this a try. I don't think I have too many wrinkles as of current under my eyes right now, but you know, it helps to prevent, so I'll give that a try. All right, the last thing in here, all right, we actually have a makeup product and I don't know if it's supposed to make you look okay. It's for a youthful glow, but I feel like every makeup product says that. So this is a Blush Glow BB cheek color from Purlisse. I've heard of like BB creams as far as like foundations and things like that go, but I don't know if I've ever heard of a BB cheek color before. Ow. Okay, it just comes in like a tiny little squeezy tube. You get 0.34 fluid ounces in here. I got mine in the shade Cool Mauve. It's supposed to be free of parabens, mineral oils, phthalates. It's also supposed to have vitamin E and hyaluronic acid in it. I have been recently using a hyaluronic acid like cream stuff for my face, and I do actually feel like my skin is more moisturized, which I really like, so that's good. Oh, these are the swatches from the last video. Oh, that's a really interesting consistency. It feels initially kind of like a Smashbox, really like silicone-y primer, but then it feels a little bit oily as you rub it around. It does look like it would give a matte finish though. There's no like glitter or shimmer or anything to it. It's a really nice shade, also very like pretty, kind of like neutrally pink shade. I actually am still wearing that like basically orange like creamsicle blush from the last unboxing that we did of Ipsy. I did not think I was gonna like that at all, but I was so wrong. I think it looks more natural on my skin and blends in like when I have like my darker foundation on and stuff. I was absolutely so wrong, so I don't know if I'll like this being as pink as it is, at least right now. I'm about to freak out. It's gotta get off my eye. It was literally just one single hair hanging down here and I couldn't get it. It's been poking me in the eye for like 10 minutes and it was just one single hair, and for some reason I couldn't figure out how to like get that off my face. Anyway, very pretty shade, but right now I am liking a little something more like bronzy and warm because it is the summertime. I just put on fake tan. Huh, really? You don't say. I don't think anybody would ever suspect you do such a good job of blending it in. Actually, why I'm wearing this shirt, this is just something else. This is something else entirely. It also seems to be really soft and smooth on the skin, which is nice, so I'm sure this is a nice product. I can give it a try when I'm not wearing like other like foundation and makeup and powder. I am, however, really glad I didn't do a try on portion for this video because honestly, like this is, it's just skincare. It's skincare with one like tinted skincare item. I think I would look like one of those Victorian ladies. No other makeup on just besides red cheeks. That likely wouldn't be the best look for me, but let me go ahead and see if they gave us any prices for these items. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. This time it looks like they did not. But it does say that the Glam Bag Plus is supposed to be valued at $120 plus, so we're supposed to be getting at least $120 of their value out of this. I personally didn't like it very much though. I'm just gonna go ahead and be like blatantly honest with you. This was definitely not my favorite Glam Bag Plus. Again, it's just a whole bunch of skincare, a primer, which I never use, something rose scented, which of course we know how I feel about those kind of things. So for me, this definitely was not my favorite bag, like at all, and I also don't know where the other one is. Like it's missing. I don't know what happened to it. Maybe it'll show up randomly and I'll chuck it in the closet and we'll unbox it, you know, a year or two from now. But anyway, that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. It's probably a very short, likely not super entertaining video, and I am very sorry about that. I have been prepping and stuff for my birthday party, so I've been a little bit stressed out and didn't have too much time to do stuff today, so I just wanted to get something quickly filmed for you guys. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. Also, if you wouldn't mind to like leave a like on this video, comment down below, share this video. Any of that stuff helps out so very much. And I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!